Hello 12th class. In this class, we will discuss the assignment solutions. So now question number 1. In this you have to identify the domain name and URL. So the domain name is income.in and the URL is this complete. Okay. Now next is what is web hosting. So web hosting is a service that makes our website available to be viewed by others on the internet. A web host provides space on its server so that other computers around the world can access our website by means of a network or modem. Question number 3, write two characteristics of Wi-Fi. So it is a wireless network, it is for short range. Question number 4, which protocol is used to creating a communication with a remote machine? So the answer is Telnet. It is an older internet utility that let us log on to the remote computer system, and it also facilitates for terminal emulation purpose. Now question number 5, write one characteristics each for 2G and 3G mobile technology. So the answer is 2G network primarily involve the transmission of voice information, and 3G technology provide the additional advantage of data transfer. Now question number 6, identify the type of topology from the following. So each node is connected with the help of a single cable. So the answer is bus topology. Second question answer is star topology. Now question number 7, in this, you have to write one advantage of star topology network. Also illustrate how 5 computers can be connected to each other using star topology of network. So the answer is advantage, benefits of star topology. It is easy to replace, install or remove host or other devices. So these are the 5 computers that are connected with a hub. Now next is question number 8. Write one characteristics each for 2G and 3G mobile technology. So the answer is 2G network primarily involve the transmission of voice information, and 3G technology provide the additional advantage of data transfer. This question is repeated. Now question number 9. Write one advantage of bus topology of network and also illustrate how 4 computers are connected. So you have to give the advantage and then you have to give the layout of bus topology. Okay, this is the layout. Now next, question number 10, differentiate between the bus and the star topology. So bus topology is a linear way, star topology is non-linear. In this, no switch is used, and star topology switch or a hub is used to connect the computers. Now question number 11, what is VoIP? So voice over internet protocol is one of a family of internet technologies, communication protocol and transmission technologies for delivery of voice communications and multimedia sessions over internet protocol network such as your internet. Question number 12, what is the importance of URL networking? So URL is uniform resource locator, is used to specify where an identified resource is available in the network and the mechanisms for retrieving it. A URL is also referred to as a web address. Now question number 13. ABC International School is planning to connect. In this you have to give the economic cable type. So which has the high speed. So the answer is optical fiber cable. Now question number 14. It is asking for a wired transmission medium and type of the network. So wired transmission medium, optical fiber cable, and type of network is MAN. Now question number 15. Which device is used to connect all computers inside a lab? That is hub. Question number 16. So which device is used to connect all computers to the internet using telephone wire? So answer is RJ45, or you can see Ethernet cable. It is an 8-wired connector that is used to connect computers on a LAN. What is Wi-Fi card? So Wi-Fi cards are small and the portable cards that allow the computer to connect to the internet through a wireless network. The transmission is through the use of radio waves. Now question number 18. It is very important question. So just see. So first question is, what is the difference between PAN and LAN? So this is the difference. Now in the second question it will asking the remote protocol. So the answer is FTP or the Telnet. Now in the C part, write two advantage of 3G over 2G mobile communication. Then 2 characteristics of Web 2.0. Now write the basic difference between worm and Trojan. Okay. Now this is the difference between speed, faster web browsing, now faster file transfer, and in services better video clarity and better security. Now D part, answer D, that makes web more interactive through online social media. It supports easy online information exchange, then interoperability on the internet, video sharing possible in the websites. Now we part, Trojan horse and the worm. Trojan horse is a malware computer program presented as useful or harmless in order to induce the user to install or run them. Computer worm, that is a replicating program which uses a network to send copies itself to other computers on the network, and it may do so without any user intervention without any user intention. This is client side VB-script, JavaScript, and server side ASP and JSP. Now G part, four questions. So in G part, first question asks that where you have to install the server. So you have to always install the server where the number of computers are much more as compared to others. So here Y town has much computer as compared to others, and justification, because it has the maximum number of computer. It is close to all other location. Now in the next you have to give the answer. So the answer is optical fiber cable. In the third you have to use the switch and hub so that all computers are connected. And in fourth question, this is the protocol video conferencing or the VoIP or any other correct service protocol. Now 19 question. So in this also you have to write the suggest the cable layout of connections between the buildings. So here you have to give the cable diagram. So this is the diagram. So you have to create this diagram based on the topologies. Okay. So this is the admin, junior, senior, and hostel. And here the distances also you have to mention. Now question number second. So question number second, suggest the most suitable place or to house the server of this school, provide a suitable reason. So here you have to, where you have to install the server. So admin has a number of system. Admin has more number of system as compared to other. So the answer of second question is, that is server can be placed in the admin building as it has the maximum number of computer. Now then you have to, third question answer, repeater can be placed between admin and senior building as the distance is more than 110 meter. Now fourth question answer is, you have to suggest the suitable transmission medium. You have three options. So the answer is radio wave, that can be used in highly region as they can travel through obstacles. Now question number 20. So here number of computers, wing S has a number of more computers as compared to others. So this suggests a suitable topology for networking the computer to all wing. So this is the layout. Suggest the most suitable ring where the server should be installed. So wing S. Suggest where all hub and switch should be placed in the network in all the computers, and which communication medium would you suggest to connect this school with the main branch in Delhi. So in this you have to use the radio waves. Okay. So these are the answers. I hope these questions are clear. So you have to prepare for test now. So in the next video you will get your test. So be ready for the test. Okay, and in test also you will get these case study based questions. So thank you and all the best for your test, and have a nice day.